Hello, hello, Taurus Collective, Sun, Moon, and Rising. Ako po si James. Kamusta po kayong lahat? And welcome po sa James Tarot PH. Diretso na po tayo sa inyong monthly reading for July 2025. So Taurus, ito na kagawian ha. Kunin mo lang yung mga resonate ka and leave the rest. Yung pong ibang impormasyon ay para po sa ibang Taurus yun. Kaya relax ka lang. Enjoy our reading for today and use your intuition para makuha mo yung akmang messages na kaloob sa'yo ng iyong spirit guide sa ating reading for today. So Taurus, meron pa rin tayong isang tanong, isang sagot portion later. So kung meron kang isang tanong, ihanda mo na yan. Huwag mong isusulat sa baba ha, just in your mind, at susubukan natin sagutin yan intuitively later at the end of our reading. Kaya stay tuned and watch out for that. Huwag mo na kayong aalis, antabayanan mo ang isang tanong, isang sagot natin sa dulo ng reading natin for today. So Taurus, thank you again for not skipping the ads po ha. Saka po sa mga nagdo-donate, yan po ang mga paraan para supportahan po ang ating channel. So thank you po for your generosity and kindness. And thank you for not skipping the ads. So Taurus, ano naghihintay sa inyo ngayong buong July 2025? Inhale. Exhale. At the center of your reading, you have, wow, the Three of Cups. Beautiful. In the area of what you want, you have the Star card. Wow, a wish. Congratulations. In the area of what you need, you have the Knight of Cups. Ooh. In the area of what's affecting your current energy, you have the Six of Wands. Victory. Congratulations. In the area of your near future, you have the Two of Swords. In the area of your challenge for the month, you have the Queen of Cups. In the area of your fortune, you have the Hanged Man. Clarity, congratulations. In the area of your divine advice, you have the Knight of Pentacles. At ang outcome mo for the month, bago tayo pumasok ng August, ay ito. Ano kaya ito, Taurus? Pag-usapan natin later, sabay-sabay natin siyang bubuksan kung ano ang hahantad sa iyong kapalaran pagpasok ng August. So Taurus, bago tayong pag-usapan in detail mode kada cards mo, ano mo ang lingering energy mo in your background na magagamit mo sa buong buwan na ito para malagpasan mo ang bawat aspeto ng mga tarot mo in your life for the month. Okay? You have the Knight of Wands, passion. Okay, drive, motivation, pagsugod, paglaban, pagkamit, pag-andar, pagdiretso, kahit anong mangyari, kahit pagod, kahit puyat, kahit feeling mo walang-wala ka na, feeling mo dapang-dapa ka na, ilalaban mo pa rin yung gusto mo. Yan yung mga bagay na ibig sabihin ni Knight of Wands, okay? Fighting even if you think hindi mo kaya. Fighting even if feeling mo ikaw yung talo. Fighting kahit even if hindi ka sure kung yan ba ay successful or not. With the right passion, with the right drive and motivation, you can pursue what you want, okay? Walang matayog o walang nakakalulang pangarap para sa'yo this month, okay? Ito yung pagkakataon mo, Taurus, na ilaban talaga yan. Don't listen to naysayers, don't listen to your detractors, don't listen to criticism or sa mga bagay, sa mga tao nag-scrutinize sa'yo na parang, Taurus, huwag mo na gawin yan, Taurus, hindi yan para sa'yo, Taurus, ano ka ba, ang tagal-tagal mo na inaasikaso yan, wala pa rin nangyayari. So, if you're gonna listen to them, kung papairalin mo yung negativity at ipapasok mo yan sa frequency mo, hihinto ka yan. Mawawalan ka ng gana, mawawalan ka ng motivation, mawawalan ka ng enough parang enjoyment din sa mga bagay na gusto mo. With the Knight of Wands kasi here, sinasabi niya na parang kailangan mo mag-enjoy sa proseso. If you're enjoying the process, parang yes, kaya ko to, masaya ako, gagawin ko to, hindi mo iindahin yung sasabihin ng iba, hindi mo iindahin yung pagod, hindi mo iindahin yung parang bakit ang tagal, hindi mo iindahin yung mga roadblocks. Eto pa nag-enjoy ka sa journey mo with so much passion, so much love, and so much dedication, kakayanin mo to hanggang dulo. And nakita ko sa mga cards mo, maganda, walang mali dito, walang pangit. Okay? This is really a lovely month for you, Taurus. This is a month of parang pagpupursige at paglaban at pag-enjoy sa mga bagay na gusto mo makuha. Okay? Sa pag-usapan natin ng iyong spread, ilan muna ang iyong major arcana? Sa iyong spread, you have 1 and you have 2 major arcana, dalawa lang. You have the Star card and the Hanged Man. Nakita ko dito, ang dami mong ang dami mong pangarap. Ano? Meron kang hinihiling, meron kang hope and dreams na kesyo pangarap na matupad o gumaling sa sakit, ganyan. O kaya nagkaroon ng parang clear path moving forward sa mga bagay na gusto mong tumbukin. You have a wish, you have a prayer na matagal mong hinihiling, matagal mong pinagusumikapan na matupad. Kaya siguro laban ka na laban this time. At nakita ko dito with a Star card combined with a Hanged Man, kailangan mo daw marinawan ng tamang approach. There's something that you need to do this month. Nakakaiba kumpara sa palagi mong ginagawa. Because para daw mas mapabilis, especially here with the presence of Knight of Wands, para mapabilis yung pagtupad o pagkuha ng mga goals na yan, ng mga prayers na yan, parang kailangan mo doon ng kakaibang approach. You need to be enlightened about something. Parang you're doing something wrong or you're doing something na hindi siya gumagana o parang siya yung dahilan ko bakit na-delay. Parang dapat daw mag-iba ka ng diskarte, mag-iba ka ng plano o mag-iba ka ng ruta para mo ma-achieve yan. Kung ito ang dinadaanan mo pero sobrang tagal, ang sobrang tagal ng sistema, pwede ka naman dumaan dito at madali ka makakapunta. Ito yung sinasabi ni Hangman. You have to think of other ways to achieve this goal, to have this goal this month. Okay, madiskarte, maparaan, matalino at matalinghagang pag-iisip kung paano mo ma-achieve ito on a different way, on a different platform, on a different system. Okay? Merong motivation para sa'yo kaya isugod mo, ilaban mo yan. So yan yung paunang mensahe sa'yo ng dalawang major arcana sa life mo for the month, Taurus. Okay? So pag-usapan natin in detail mode ang bawat cards mo at the center, you have the Three of Cups. Three of Cups here telling you na time for celebration. Yes, time for harvest. Meron kang hinihintay na bagay and you're now rejoicing for it. Whether you're waiting for a job call, for a civil service exam, or examination approval, or examination list, natanggap ka, napasok ka, nakapasa ka, ganyan. For some, meron ka na lang talagang hinihintay eh. And yung sagot na yon, diretso tagumpay ka na, diretso celebration ka na with the people that you love, with your family and friends. Either you're waiting for the visa, you're waiting for the papers to be completed, you're waiting for the agency to call you, o tita mo tumawag, o lover mo tatawag. Hinihintay mo na lang yung bagang parang confirmation. The Knight of Wands also, I forget to tell you, Knight of Wands is also a card of good news. May darating sa yung good news this time, okay? Kaya ilalaban mo talaga to. Passion to continue because good news will give you the celebration. Harvest time ito. This is a time for you to have fun daw this time. I'm hearing you've been working so hard dito mga nakaraang buwan. Pagod na pagod ka. Marami kang inasikaso, marami kang nilaban, marami kang binosisi. And this month, core mo to sa buong buwan na ito, celebration, tagumpay, pagkamit sa mga bagay na nilaban mo, pagkamit do sa tagumpay ng mga pagtrabahuhan mo. This is all about you earning your hard work, earning the reward of your endeavors this month. So congratulations. Have fun, celebrate, enjoy your victory, enjoy small wins, big wins. Every step going to a bigger goal ay dapat sinaselebrate mo because that is you hyping up yourself, giving yourself the right antidote sa isip mo na parang okay, unti-unti akong nagtatagumpay, unti-unti siyang gumagana, dapat ko itong i-celebrate. Okay? The Three of Cups being clarified by the Six of Cups. Yes, like I've said, may mga bahagi ka na sa past mo na parang inasikaso mo, ginawa mo. This is a celebration from a past endeavor talaga. Because Six of Cups is a nostalgia card. Bagay talaga ng mga na-experience mo na sa past. Pinagtrabahuhan, inasikaso, ang tagal mo naghintay, that's what I'm hearing. Meron ditong motion of waiting patiently for something to come at yung talagang konfirmasyon na lang hinihintay mo para yehey, tagumpay na, celebration na, ganyan. So you're just waiting for that. And ito yung matagal talagang, I don't know, I'm hearing papers or perang nabinbin na parang ngayon lang siya dumating, ngayon lang siya na-approve, ngayon lang siya na-ibigay. Matagal na pipirmahan, matagal na parang ang tagal mo nag-check ng updates pero ngayon lang siya darating. So ngayon, this is all of you rewarding also yourself from something that you did in the past. At ito, i-harvest mo na yung magandang bunga na yan na ginawa mo sa nakaraan mo. Congratulations, Taurus. In the area of what you want, you have the star card here. Yes, you're now on the spotlight. A spotlight doing the good work, doing the good news sa dating sa life mo. Nakita ko dito na sabi ng Spirit Guides, yes, ito yung pagkakataon na gawin mo na lahat, Taurus. Gawin mo na lahat. Push yourself to your limit. Huwag mo sayangin yung pagkakataon kasi nga, you're on the spotlight with the star card here. Okay? Kaya sabi ko sa iyo kanina, dapat mag-isip ka ng ibang paraan. Mag-isip ka ng ibang diskarte, out of the box approach in what you're trying to do para talaga naman mag-come up ka on top. I don't know, maybe you're in the industry na very competitive. You're in the industry talagang ang daming nagalaban-laban para maging employee of the month, para maging tumaas ang sahod, para mapansin ni boss, para mag-elevate yung position. So, this month, you'll be given, Taurus, you'll be given a moment to shine, okay? Moment mo to shine, kaya fight for it, okay? Napakagandang message yan. Moment mo to shine, kaya ilaban mo to, okay? This is something greater than what you expected. Kaya, tinatawag ka rin ng spirit guides mo to continue watering your talent, continue watering your mind, para malaman mo yung right diskarte, like right hakbang, para pag nasa sayo na yung floor, nasa sayo na yung moment, magawa mo siya ng tama at mag-come up ka on a better result. Okay? The star cards being clarified by the Eight of Swords. Yes. Whew. Like I've said, kailangan mo maghanap ng ibang diskarte because Eight of Swords a very isolating card. Parang siya hindi niya alam gagawin niya, takot-takot siya. Wala na akong solusyon, hindi ko alam gagawin ko, mahina ako, hindi ko alam ang gagawin, hindi ko alam kung anong sasagutin ko dito, wala na akong alam, hindi ko na alam. Parang stuck ka. Yun ang pakiramdam mo. Pero ang maganda kay Eight of Swords, nasa isip mo lang to. Because of too much stress, too much worrying, too much overthinking din na parang akala mo hindi mo kayang tapatan yung kailangan mong endeavor na gawin. Maybe because marami ring pressure sa'yo na accomplish to, magawa yan. Kaya ngayon parang nalilimitahan ka. Parang hindi ko to kaya, baka magkamali ako, baka matalo ako, baka mag-fail ako, baka pagtawanan ako, baka masayang effort ko. Kaya ang nangyayari, lalo kang walang nagagawa because masyado nang discombobulated yung isip mo na sobrang dami mong wino-worry, hindi ka na maging productive, no? So ngayon sabi ni Spirit Guides, it's your time to shine. Huwag mong isipin na hindi mo kaya. Always tell yourself, hype yourself that you can do it, you can achieve it. Kaya talaga may hangman dito, kalinawan ng isip. Pag naging malinaw na yung isip mo, mawawala na tong Eight of Wands sa buhay mo, na parang Eight of Swords rather, na parang hindi ko kaya, hindi ko magawa, walang way out, I cannot fix this, ganyan. Mawawala yung mga ganyang mindset mo once you are enlightened sa path na kukunin mo. Just do it. Don't overthink. Just trust your talent, trust your skills, and hope for the best. Garoon ka rin daw ng malinaw na intuition this time na kung anong gagawin mo, yan right decision. Kung ano yung plano mo, yan ang right plan. So make sure you trust the plan, you trust God, and you trust yourself. Favored ka naman ng ng universe eh. So magiging successful ito no matter what. Okay? Just put the right passion, right love. Huwag kang panghinaan ng loob. Huwag ka rin lalaylay yung iyong performance, ang iyong effort. Makukuha mo ang sagot dyan. In the area of what you need is to offer yourself. Okay? With the offer card here, the Knight of Cups, you need to give your all. Hindi pwedeng half-hearted, hindi pwedeng ito lang kaya ko ibigay. No. Kailangan mong dumiretso. Hindi ka kailangang stagnant. Hindi ka pwedeng kalahating paa mo lang ang ihahakbang mo at aasa ka na makukuha mong lahat. This is the right time for you to make sure that you will get the right result based on your effort. Ito yung time of reflection, Taurus. Kung ano yung ibinigay mo, yun din ang babalik. So make sure ibigay mo na lahat para bumalik sa iyo ang pinakamagandang resulta. With the Knight of Cups, all about your heart, all about your might, your contentment, your emotions. Ito yung pagkakataon talagang i-offer mo yung makakaya mong i-offer. I-offer mo yung best self mo, best foot forward para makuha mo yung right result. Okay? The Knight of Cups being clarified by the Judgment card. Yes, you really need to be awakened for something. Pero ka daw maling ginagawa eh. Maling atake, maling diskarte about your job or about dito sa goal mo o sa wish mo, sa plan mo na ito. Alam mo na merong hindi umaandar. Alam mo na parang bakit hindi umaandar, bakit hindi ko makuha, ano yung dapat kong buhisiin. Sabi ni Spirit Guides, kailangan mo daw magising sa isang bagay. I don't know kung ano yung dapat mong magising. Magising baka mali yung pinapakinggan mong tao, mali yung ka-groupmate mo, mali yung talagang plano nyo, mali yung sistema nyo, o may mali kang approach, o mali na hindi ka nakikinig, o mali na hindi ka nagtatanong, something like that. So ngayon, kailangan ka daw magising sa isang mali mong ginagawa. May maling nangyayari sa circle mo this time na kailangan mo magising so that madali mo may offer ang sarili mo. Okay? Nakita ko dito na kasi either merong na nangyari before in the past job or the past experience sa katulad din ito na parang dati may nangyari na kasi. Kaya ngayon parang ingat na ingat ka. Ingat na ingat kang i-offer ang sarili mo. Ingat na ingat kang magbigay ng idea. Ingat na ingat ka o takot kang mag-step forward because you're afraid na baka mag-fail ka. You're in the spotlight too much. Kaya feeling mo lahat ng mata nakatingin sa'yo. Kaya you're actually afraid to let out yung best potential mo. Ang dami mo pwedeng i-offer. Magaling ka, you're talented, you're skillful, you're very dependable, you're very strong and very creative, Taurus. Kaya ilabas mo na yan. Kailangan ko magising sa katotohanan na wala akong mahihita sa takot, wala akong mahihita sa inhibitions ko, sa fears ko. Just go so good with the Knight of Wands here. Fight for your dreams, fight for your goal. With so much passion and care and love, makakamit mo yan. You need to wake up. Wake up. You have the skills, you have the enormous potential to achieve what you want. Kaya dapat ka magising sa katotohanan na you can do it. Offer yourself, offer your effort, offer your expertise, your knowledge, your skills. Okay? In the area of what's affecting your current energy, you have the Six of Wands. Victory is yours. Okay? Yan dapat mo tandaan. Victory is yours. Ang problema lang dito, people around you. Parang naririnig ko nakaka-impluwensya sila sa'yo. Pero panghinaan ka na loob, may mga nang-api siguro sa'yo, toxic people telling you, wag na yan Taurus, mo nang gawin yan, hindi yan para sa'yo, ganyan-ganyan. So parang may nararamdaman akong paglaylay somehow ng emosyon mo, ng gilalas mo, ng iyong pagpupursige because of the people around you. There are a lot of people na naiinggit. That's what I'm seeing here. May mga naiinggit, may mga gusto mag-fail ka para silang umangat because nasa spotlight ka ngayon eh. So nakita ko dito na don't listen to them. Just do your work. I'm hearing avoid dramas, avoid conflict, celebrate life with the people that you love, celebrate only with the people that you truly, truly trust. At nakita ko dito na just focus on your work. Kasi alam ko magtatagumpay ka dito. You will get the good result from this and you will celebrate with the family that you love. Kaya ngayon parang sabi ni Spirit Guides, kilalanin mo muna yung mga tao sa paligid mo. Someone that you talk to, someone na pagkasabihan mo ng plano mo, ng mga diskarte mo, ng mga passion project mo, ng mga valuable information tungkol sa'yo para hindi siya magamit against you in the near future. Nakita ko na parang find your tribe. Find the people na talagang para sa'yo, nakatutok sa'yo, sinusuportahan ka, your support group. At doon mo lang sabihin yung mga bagay na valuable tungkol sa'yo para hindi siya magamit against you in the near future, okay? Nakita ko dito na just do your job, continue, don't stop, don't quit, and you will succeed on that. May victory dito. Congratulations. At mega-celebrate kayo ng mga kasama mo. At talaga namang ito'y gift mo sa sarili mo from the past endeavor na nag-fail ka, na parang nawaglit na pangarap o bumagsak ka siguro dati. Ngayon, parang mawawalaan na yung pain o yung parang masakit na karanasan mo from the past. Ngayon, puro celebration na and victory niya in your life. Okay? Congratulations, Taurus. The Six of Wands being clarified by the Three of Swords. Yes, talagang painful things in the past. Up to now, siguro, nararamdaman mo pa rin ito. Kaya siguro hindi ka makapag-focus sa mga ginagawa mo because there are a lot of people giving you pain, giving you torture, giving you a hard time. May mga fear ka rin because baka maulit yung dati. O meron ka rin mga painful experiences now because of the people around you na puro naiinggit, mga insecure, mga gumagawa ng drama, conflict para lang madelay ka o para lang lumiit o humina yung reputasyon mo o masira ang reputasyon mo sa grupo mo na yan o sa workplace mo. Nakikita ko dito na, Taurus, you can come up on top, okay? Kailangan mong kalamayan ang iyong emosyon. Kailangan mong gamitin yung painful experiences mo to survive and also to win, okay? Lahat ng natutunan mo na painful sa past, lahat ng mga natutunan mo from a hard experiences in the past, gamitin mo yung mga lessons doon para makuha mo yung susi para magtagumpay ka this time, okay? You will celebrate life with the people that you love. Makakalimutan mo rin yung mga painful things in the past. Kaya ngayon, para kang kabayo, yung may takip sa magkabilang mata, na nakafocus lang sa daan, nakafocus lang sa isang bagay. Doon ka lang mag-focus, eliminate all the noises around you, and use the pain in your advantage, okay? In the area of your near future, you have the Two of Swords. There will be a time in the near future na kailangan mo mag-decide. I'm hearing whether staying dyan or gonna leave and find somewhere else, kung saan walang toxicity, kung saan walang magulo o mas mataas ang sweldo, o parang feeling mo walang power grab o power dynamics o parang walang power tripping, ganyan. I'm hearing darating yan sa life mo in the near future that you need to choose whether staying here or going there. May ganong naramdaman ko eh. I don't know. There will be a decision coming to you in the near future na medyo mahihirapan ka. Medyo ko-questionin mo, dapat ko ba itong ilaban o magstay ako dito? Am I staying on my comfort zone? Or kailangan ko na maghanap ng bago, risking something new? There will be a decision coming to you in the near future na kailangan mong pag-usapan at kailangan mong harapin. I'm hearing talaga ito yung may kinalaman sa workplace mo o saan ka kumikita ng pera because people there ay parang they are not for you anymore o feeling mo sila yung humaharang sa success mo o sa growth mo and you need to decide staying ka or gonna risk things moving forward, moving on. Ano? The Two of Swords being clarified by the World card, yes. Like I've said, closing a chapter talaga. Aalis ka talaga, iiwanan mo to because the World card's all about closing a chapter, closing a cycle in your life. Meron kang iwanan, meron kang isasara, meron kang closure. Yung closure na yun, nakita ko na parang dito ka magkakaroon ng bagong simula. Decision to live, decision to start over, decision na iwan na ang mga bagay na hindi na para sa'yo. Whether love ito, whether job, or whether endeavor na akala mo para sa'yo, pero you're gonna realize na time na for me to move on, to chase new things, to chase yung mga bagay na para sa akin. This decision is very crucial for you, Taurus, because this will change your world. This will change your life. Pwedeng traveling talaga to abroad or going to a different place, a different city. Pero pwedeng itong bagong endeavor kung saan swak na swak ka doon. Nasa iyo lahat ng elements. Ibig sabihin, lahat ng tools na experiences mo, lahat ng mga naranasan mo from the past, magagamit mo yon on this new cycle, bagong era ng buhay mo, kung saan anything is much better. Away from this toxic and painful things from your past. Talagang nagising ka sa katotohanan. Probably this is also an offer for you from a new job, a new endeavor, na parang magigising ka sa katotohanan na much better na para sa akin, tatanggapin ko na. So may mga ganon para sa inyo sa ibang Tauros, not for everybody, pero I'm seeing you making a decision in the near future, leaving something behind, conquering a new era, conquering a new place, a new territory, bagong cycle talaga to ng buhay mo, and you will succeed on this. Congratulations, Taurus. In the area of your challenge for the month, you have the Queen of Cups, your heart. Okay? Follow your heart. Ito ang challenge mo para sa buwan na to. Are you gonna stay because komportable ka dyan pero napaka-toxic o hindi ka na masaya? May mga taong magugulo, may mga kaibigan o mga taong nagpapahirap sa'yo, pero dahil dyan ka kumikita, dyan ka komportable, nakasanayan mo na yung sistema, mag-stay ka ba o aalis ka na? Ngayon may tawag ang damdamin mo to follow your dreams, follow kung saan talaga tinitibok ng puso mo, whether lover man ito o trabaho o goal o pangarap na dati, sinacrifice mo because you need to do the right thing. Yes, what I'm hearing. Ngayon, parang pagkakataon mo na sundin ang puso mo. At ito yung mga bagay na magpapahirap sa'yo for the month is, are you gonna follow other people's decision? Or are you gonna follow your heart? Kaligayahan mo ba o kaligayahan nila? Now is the right time for you to really think for that. Okay? Your passion is here. Meron kang passion na susundin. And ang passion, kadikit yan ng puso. Passion and heart. So ngayon, I'm hearing you're gonna follow your heart this time. Okay? Queen of Cups being clarified by the Ace of Pentacles, yes. Kung nasa ng puso mo, nandun ang pera. Kung nasa ng puso mo, nandun ang treasure. Kung nasa ng puso mo, nandun ang kaligayahan, nandun ka magsasucceed, doon ka mag-grow. Okay? Sabi ni Spirit Guides, aanhin mo yung isang trabaho na malungkot ka naman, na hindi ka masaya. Pero yung puso mo, kung yun ang susundin mo, doon ka yayabong, doon ka magiging, doon ka mag-grow, doon ka magiging masaya, doon ka mag-elevate. I heard a parang evaluable quote from Facebook nakaraan na parang yung professor, ginather niya yung mga graduates niya sa bahay niya. And then all of them are doctors, professionals, may titles, ganyan. Tapos naglabas siya ng kape. Yung mga kape may kanya-kanyang tasa. Yung ibang tasa doon sira, yung ibang tasa pangit, pero may mga tasa din magaganda. Kinuha ng mga dati niyang estudyante yung mga tasang magaganda, pero naiwan doon yung mga tasang pangit, pero okay pa naman, pwedeng inuman. Sabi ni professor, lahat kayo naghahangad ng magandang buhay, pero are you happy? You're chasing the good cups, pero all of those cups, kahit pangit yung cups, ay may kape pa rin naman. You're also chasing for the kape and not for the cup, pero mas pinili mo yung magandang cup kaysa doon sa kape. No, yung parang sabi ni Spirit Guides, pipiliin mo yung magaganda, yung glamoroso, yung parang kaakit-akit, yung pwedeng ipagmalaki, pero are you happy? Are you still happy with that cup? Are you still happy with that coffee in that cup? So parang sabi ni Spirit Guides, chase what makes you happy more than what makes you feel beautiful or what makes para extravagant or mayabong o para akala mo that's a comfort zone. Sabi ni Spirit Guides, follow your heart and the money, the swerte will follow para sa'yo. Okay? In the area of your fortune this month, you have the Hanged Man here. Hanged Man, kalinawan. This month, magkakaroon ka ng parang, okay, merong light bulb moment sa'yo na parang this time around, alam mo na yung gagawin, alam mo na yung diskarte, parang meron ka ma-realize. Like I've said here, meron kang pagising eh. Meron kang awakening in your life for the month. Ito yung darating sa'yo. Confirmed na talaga magigising ka sa isang bagay. Halimbawa, your relasyon, magigising ka na mali pala yan, parang you're being parang manipulated, ganyan. So ngayon, parang babangon ka na, parang time na for me to leave, ganyan. For some, merong mga may mga trabaho na parang akala mo, this is right for you, this is your passion, this is the dream that you want for yourself, pero magigising ka sa katotohanan na this is not working anymore, hindi na siya nakakabuhay for my family, ganyan. So parang ngayon hindi na rin ako masaya, susundin ko na lang yung puso ko kung saan ako pwede, ganyan. So parang you're trying to follow your heart and now magkakaroon ka ng kalinawan kung saan ka pupunta o kung anong gagawin mo next using your heart, using your happiness, using your satisfaction. Okay? So Hanged Man is being clarified by dalawa, kunin natin. Isa lang dapat yung kunin ko pero dalawang lumabas. You have the Strength card and the Three of Cups. Okay, ngayon nakita ko na may kalinawan ka with the people around you para malilinawan ka kung sino yung mga taon dapat na sa buhay mo at kung sino yung hindi. In the workplace nakita ko na hindi pala dapat lahat friends. Dapat konti lang. Dapat konting tao lang nakakaalam tungkol sa akin. Konti lang nakakaalam yung mga private things ko. Hindi pala lahat tao sa trabaho dapat alam ko sino ako, because that will complicate your life in your job. May drama, may conflict, may gusot, may gulo, may chismis. So make sure you only have real people in your life, and that takes courage, okay? Hindi lahat ng tao dapat kaibiganin. Merong mga tao daw sa life mo this time na marirealize mo hindi pala dapat parte ng circle mo. And you have to be brave enough to admit, may strength ka dapat to admit na hindi sila yung para sa akin. At kailangan ko lumayo, kailangan kong paratilihing small circle lang yung mga bagay sa life ko. There will be a realization for you na may mga tao sa paligid mo hindi mo talaga pala kaibigan, o hindi pala totoo sa'yo, o hindi pala they're genuinely loving you, no? This is really enlightening time for you. At blessing yan. Blessing yan, Taurus. Sa fortune mo yan, because makikilala mo na talaga yung mga tao na, alam ba yun, totoo at hindi mga dahilan pa ng mga pinoproblema mo. If you know that the people around you are causing you so much stress and causing you so much worrying na parang pati reputasyon mo at pangalan mo inilalagay sa alanganin, kailangan mo silang iwasan. Have the strength and courage to do that. Umiwas, putulin ang relasyon, putulin ang ugnayan, at yun ang kalinawan na kailangan mo daw this time, okay? In the area for divine advice, you have the Knight of Pentacles here. Plano. Kailangan mo daw planuhin to mga bagay na gagawin mo. You're celebrating, I'm hearing, yes, you're leaving something behind. May bubuuin kang bago in the near future. Meron kang desisyon na kailangan gawin papasok sa bagong era ng life mo. Nakita ko dito na kailangan mo daw ng meticulous planning. I don't know why. Maybe because meron ka na naisip siguro, no, Taurus, meron ka nang gagawin na plano, meron ka nang sisimulan, pero sabi ni Spirit Guides, bisitahin mo daw ulit. Kailangan every small detail ay binabasa mo o tinitingnan mo o binubosisi mo, because maybe you're just so passionate and so excited na gawin yung mga gusto mong gawin, nakakaligtaan mong tignan yung bawat detalye. Baka masyado kang excited, masyado kang emotional, masyado kang masaya sa pagtupad ng mga bagay na to, ay nakakaligtaan mo ng tignan yung plano mo. Baka may loopholes dyan, baka may problema. Kailangan buhisiin mo para hindi ka ma-delay, hindi ka ma-complicate, at also para dire-diretso yung tahak mo, okay? The Knight of Pentacles being clarified by the Five of Wands. Yes, ngayon talaga, sabi dito, probably there are also confusing times for you, o may mga tao pang humaharang sa mga plano mo. Ito yung pagkakataon talaga na planuhin mabuti para kung sakali mangharangan ka ulit, o sakali man na pigilan ka ulit o questionin ka ulit, makakapagbigay ka rin tamang sagot. At sa hearing, kung meron mang tao daw sa paligid mo o sa lugar mo na very competitive, tapos bigla-bigla may gagawin sila to stop you or to pigilan yung mga bagay na gusto mong gawin. Nakita ko rito na kung meron kang tamang pagpaplano at kung malinaw sa iyo yung gagawin mo, kahit anong harang nila, magagawa mo pa rin yung plan mo. Magagawa mo pa rin yung hakbang mo. Okay? So make sure na pag-isipang mabuti yung plano para pag dumating to mga taong competition or haharang sa gusto mo, mananalo ka pa rin at magkatagumpay ka pa rin. Okay, Taurus? Very, very profound na mensahe sa iyo ng Spirit Guides mo. Sabi, parang walang makakadaig sa taong sobrang nagpaplano. Talagang meticuloso ang plano at talagang napag-aralan na niya bago pa niya hakbangan. Kasi alam mo na yung mga loopholes, alam mo na yung mga potential na maaaring obstacles along the way, at madali yung matatapalan niya ng plan A, plan B, plan C. Walang makakatalo sa'yo dahil marami kang plano. Okay? Napag-isipan mo na siya through and through. So, ang outcome mo later, pag-usapan natin, bigyan mo na kita additional messages from the divine. Ano pang karagdagan nilang tulong sa'yo na makakagabay sa'yo this July 2025. You have first casket, someone going out of your life or at the end of situation. Yes, may aalis talaga ng buhay mo, or meron daw matatapos na ng problema, tapos ka na talaga sa bagong era ng buhay mo. Congratulations. Another message of Nest, an emotionally secure, loving family is important to you. Yes, ngayon pamilya mo ang bigyan mo ng halaga more than people around you, na friends na akala mo friends. Your family is there. I-cultivate mo yung relasyon mo sa family mo. Sila lang talaga at the end of the day ang makakatulong sa'yo. Another message you have Camel, persevere and you will overcome problems. Yes, laban, sugod, wag hihinto, wag hihinto. This is also you, Knight of Wands. Don't quit. Okay? Another message, you have Needle and Thread. A sincere wish will be granted. Woo! Meron ka daw wish na matutupad. Ito yun. With a star card, meron kang answered prayer. Congratulations. Another message, you have Quill. Get back to basics. May mga bagay doon na kailangan simplihan mo lang. Hindi pwedeng, hindi naman kailangan komplikado, hindi pwedeng magarbo, hindi pwedeng magulong-magulo. Simplihan mo lang yung atake mo daw sa isang bagay. Maaring yan pa ang magindaan para magtagumpay ka dyan. Okay? Another message, you have Seahorse, family matters. Yes, importante daw sa buwan na to ang pamilya mo. I don't know why. Dalawang beses lumabas about family. talk to your family, cultivate relationships with your family. Parang this month daw kailangan paratagin mo ang relasyon mo sa kanila. Another message, you have wedge. Someone is trying to come between you and a friend or something you want. Ito yun. Yung mga taong dapat mong iwasan, mga taong dapat mong putulin ng relasyon. Meron talagang pumipigil o humaharang sa gusto mo. Okay? Another message, you have ring. A marriage will take place, either romantic or business. May union ka daw mararanasan this month, whether business union, agreement, negotiation union, pwede rin kasal, talaga union yan of love. Anything that make collaboration, may pagkasama, may union, may celebration, ganyan. May partying with the group of people. Congratulations. Another message, you have dragon, beware of self-delusion. Yes, dapat nakabase pa rin sa realidad yung mga gusto mong gawin. Nakita ko na parang step by step, gawin mo lang yung makakaya mo. And nakita ko dito na parang just follow your heart. Okay, follow your heart. Another message, you have dogs, getting together with friends. Mga totoong friends. Ngayon, kilalanin mo yung totoong kaibigan mo. Kailangan alamin mo daw this time who are there for you, truly loves you, and authentically cares for you. Okay? Bago tayong puntahan ng iyong outcome, bigyan muna kita ng 3 guidepost. Pag-focusan mo for the month. Okay? Unang-una, you have health. O ngayong buwan daw, pagtuunan mo ng pansin ang health mo, Taurus. You also have indecision. Yes, may mga bagay ka talagang kailangan pagdesisyonan here in your near future. Pero kung dapat pagdesisyonan na bagay na hindi mo kailangan ipagpaliban, kailangan mo itong timbangin, aralin, research ka para maging tama ang desisyon mo. Okay? Another message, you have death. Okay, transformation. Meron ka talagang iwanan na bagay this month, meron kang aasikasuhin na bago sa buhay mo, may yayakapin ka, kaya kailangan mo doon mag-transform din. Death card's all about you transforming into better being. Okay? May mga dapat bitawan na friends, may mga dapat bitawan na tao, o maling paniniwala. Transformation, the death of you. Transformation. Bagong-bagong ikaw. Parang bagong gising ka, bagong buhay, bagong panganak ka. Aatakihin mo yung buhay on a different way. Okay? 3 bagay, health, pagtuunan mo ng pansin ang kalusugan mo. Indecision, be decisive. Dapat ikaw mismo ang nagre-decide sa buhay mo. Death card, may changes ka dapat harapin. Transformation. Okay? Your outcome, pag-usapan natin, Taurus, ano kaya ito? First, huwag mo kalimutan, we have isang tanong, isang sagot. Later, ihanda mo na yung tanong mo. Huwag mong isusulat sa babaha, sa isip lang, okay? So, ang outcome mo, Taurus, you have 7 of Pentacles. Yes, the reward is here. Meron ka mga bagay na pinagtyagaan na nakaraan, pinag-ipunan, patiently waiting for it to come out, patiently waiting na mabigay sa yung go signal, yung tamang sagot, yung yes card, yung approved, ganyan-ganyan. So you're waiting this time around at the end of July. Bago tayo pumasok ng August, you will get the good result. You will get the clarification and also the confirmation na andyan ang trabaho, nandiyan ang swerte. Matatayo mo na, I'm seeing ribbon cutting for a negosyo, o kaya yung kasagutan sa isang bagay na matagal mong minimithi, eto na. Yung development na matagal mong pinagtyagaan at nakita ko, narinig ko na inip ka na at asar ka na because hindi pa siya dumarating, eto darating na. The good result is here. Okay? The 7 of Pentacles being clarified by the 6 of Wands. Wow. 6 of Wands, dalawang 6, all about reflection. Parang dito, nakita ko victory is yours, pero with the presence of 6-6, sabi, parang ito yung pagkakataon na magiging nostalgic ka. Na parang mapapareflect ka na parang, ang layo na narating ko, ang layo na pinaghirapan ko, eto na ako now. May nostalgia na parang magiging emotional ka na parang ang dami-dami ko pinagdaanan for the past months. Parang mapapareflect ka sa tagumpay na ito. Congratulations, Taurus. Okay? 7 of Pentacles is getting the good result, the fruit of your labor, and 6 of Wands is victory. Wow, you're gonna get this good result at talaga magkatagumpay ka dito. Magsasaya ka with you and your family. This is something talagang bunga ng passion mo, bunga ng pinaghirapan. Walang swerte dito na parang, ay swerte lang yan. Hindi, ito yung pinaghirapan mo. Ginawa mo to, kinultivate mo to, pinagpagura mo to, kaya i-enjoy mo to. Celebrate victorious outcome from your endeavor. Congratulations, Taurus. That is your July 2025 reading, Taurus. Hopefully naka-resonate kayo. Time na for your isang tanong, isang sagot. Iwaksi mo sa isip mo, Taurus, ang ibang bagay. Focus on your one question, okay? Close your eyes. Focus on your one question. Spirit guides, ibigay natin kay Taurus ang sagot sa kanyang tanong, okay? You have 1, you have 2. Bigyan din kita ng angel whisper answer para pagtibayin ang makikita natin sa tarot cards pertaining to your question, okay? You have 1 and you have 2. Okay, handa ka na ba, Taurus? Close your eyes, inhale and exhale. This is the answer to your question. You have the Hierophant in reverse. You have the 7 of Cups in reverse. You have reconsider. and you have not the right time. Okay, ito ang paliwanag sa question mo, Taurus. You're very confused right now. Hindi mo alam kung anong pinto magbubukas sa'yo, hindi mo alam kung saan pupunta, hindi mo alam ang patutunguhan ng mga bagay na gusto mo makamit this time. With the Hierophant, parang kulang pa daw yung idea mo, kulang pa yung research or knowledge na kinakailangan mo pertaining to your question. Parang kailangan mo pa daw magtanong, kailangan mo pa magtanong sa ibang tao na nakakaalam sa bagay na yan, kung yan ba yung tamang yakapin. Because nakita ko dito na parang confused ka pa, hindi pa malinaw sa'yo kung yan ba talagang yayakapin mong landas o meron pang iba. Because 7 of Cups in upright position is doors opening. Maraming option, maraming pwedeng gawin, pero dahil naka-reverse siya, sabi dito, nahaharang ang vision mo sa mga bagay na pwede mo pang yakapin. Option A, option B, doors 1, doors 2, doors 3. Sa ngayon, parang isa lang ang tinutumbok mo. Ito lang gusto ko, ito lang gusto ko. Pero sabi, kailangan mo pa ng additional knowledge. Baka naman, may mga iba pang bagay para sa'yo, pero ito lang talaga niyayakap mo. Kaya sabi ng talaga ng angel mo, reconsider eh. Mag-reconsider ka daw. Ibig sabihin, magtanong-tanong ka pa, magtingin-tingin ka pa. Huwag ka muna mag-settle sa isang bagay na yan. And this time around, sabi, not the right time. Hindi pa daw ngayon. Kasi kailangan daw malinaw sa'yo. Ito ba talaga gusto mo? Baka kailangan mo muna mag-research, magtanong-tanong sa experts, sa mga tao sa paligid mo. Get more knowledge para maging buo sa isip mo kung yan ba talaga ang gusto mo o may something else pa. Okay? Ngayon, your spirit guides and angel guides are telling you, mag-reconsider ka muna. Magtingin-tingin ka muna ng iba. And for now, yung question mo, not the right time. Okay, Taurus? Hopefully po nasagot ko po ang yung isang tanong, isang sagot, and also your July 2025 reading sa po kayo nakarelate, sa po kayo nakaresonate, comment down below, and I'll be reading your messages. Thank you again for watching hanggang dulo. This is your tarot card friend, James, for James Tarot PH. God bless everybody.